Hello everybody, my name is Daffa Naufal. I come from Yogyakarta.
And I'm Wildan, and I come from Monogiri. And in here we want to tell you about mind idea.
Here are a few techniques to help understand what exactly is a mind idea and how to identify it accurately in a passage.
How to define the mind idea? The mind idea of the paragraph is the primary point or concept that the author wants to communicate to the readers about the topic. Hence, in a paragraph, when the mind idea is stated directly, it is expressed in what's called the topic sentence. It gives the overarching idea of what the paragraph is about and is supported by details in subsequent sentences in the paragraph. In a multi-paragraph article, the main idea is expressed in the rest statement, which is the supported by individual smaller points.
Think of the main idea as a brief but all-encompassing summary. It covers everything the paragraph talks about in general way, but does not include the specific. Thus the detail will come in later sentence or paragraph and add nuance and context. The main idea will need those details to support its argument.
For example, imagine a paper discussing the cause of World War I. On the paragraph, make the dedicated on the role that imperialism played in the conflict. The main idea of the paragraph may be something like constant competition for massive empire led to the increasing tension of Europe that eventually erupt in the World War I. The rest of the paragraph will explore what those specific tensions were, who was involved, and why the conflicts were shaking empires, but the main idea just introduction of relation argument of the section.
When an author does not state the main idea directly, it should still be implied and is called an implied main idea. This requires that the readers look closely at the content, at specific words, sentence, image that are used and repeat to deduce what the author is communicating.
And then how to find the main idea? Finding the main idea is critical to understanding what you are already. It helps the details make sense and have relevance, and provides a framework for remembering the content. Try this specific tip to the point the main idea of a passage. The point 1, identify the topic, read the passage through completely, then try to identify the topic. Who or what is the paragraph about? This part is just figuring out a topic like cause of World War I or the new hearing device. Don't worry yet about deciding what argument the passage is making about this topic. The point 2 is summarizing the passage. After reading the passage thoroughly, summarize in your own words in one sentence. Pretend you have just 10 to 12 words to tell someone what the passage is about. What you say. The point 3. Look at the first and last sentence of the paragraph. Authors often put the main idea in or near either the first or last sentence of the paragraph or article, so isolate those sentences to see if they make sense as the overarching theme of the passage. Be careful. Sometimes the author will use words like but, however, in contrast, never tells that indicate that the second sentence is actually the main idea. If you see one of these words that negative or quality the first sentence, that's a clue that the second sentence in the main idea. And the last is look for repetition of ideas. If you read through a paragraph and you have no idea how to summarize it because there is so much information, start looking for repeated words, phrases, or related ideas. Read this example. The paragraph. A new hearing device uses a magnet to hold the detectable sound processing portion in place. Like other aids in convert the sound into vibration, but is unique in that it can transmit the vibration directly to the magnet and then to the inner ear. This produces a cleaner sound. The new device will not help a hearing impaired people only those with a hearing loss caused by infection or some other problem in the middle ear. It will probably help no more than 12% of all people with hearing problems. Those people who have persistent infection, however, should find relief and restore hearing with the new device. Uh, what what does this paragraph consistently talk about? A new hearing device. What is trying contrary? A new hearing device is now algorithm for sound, but not all hearing impaired people with the main idea.
Hey Wildan, can you help me arrange this to be in the right order?
Yes, I can. I think this is point 1, and then this is point 2, and then this is point 3, and this is the last point 4. So the point 1 is identifying the topic. Then point 2 is summarizing the passage, and then point 3 is look at the first and last sentence of the passage, and then the point 4 is look for repetition of ideas.
Avoid main idea mistake. Choosing a main idea from a set of answer choice is different than composing a main idea on your own. Writers of multiple choice tests are often tricky and will give your distractor question that sound much like the real answer. By reading the passage thoroughly, using your skill, and identifying the main idea on your own, so you can avoid making these 3 common mistakes. Selecting an answer that is too narrow in scope, selecting an answer that is too broad, or selecting an answer that is complex but contrary to the main idea.
Okay guys, thank you for watching.